In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Smartsheet Error Code 4000 step by step. If you're seeing this error pop up while working on your sheets, reports, or dashboards, don't worry. This is usually a temporary or browser-related issue, and it can be resolved quickly. I'll walk you through 6 proven fixes that you can try right now to get back to work without losing progress. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and effective software troubleshooting guides. Let's get started. The first thing you should do when you see Smartsheet Error Code 4000 is simply wait and retry. I know this sounds basic, but this error is often caused by temporary server issues or high system load. Smartsheet may be processing a large request in the background, especially if you're working with complex formulas, large sheets, or automation workflows. Give it about 30 to 60 seconds, then try the action again. In many cases, the issue resolves itself without any additional troubleshooting. If the error still appears, the next step is to refresh the page. Go to your browser and click the refresh button, or press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. Refreshing reloads the Smartsheet interface and clears temporary glitches that may have occurred during loading. Sometimes browser sessions get out of sync with Smartsheet servers, and a simple refresh reestablishes that connection. After refreshing, try performing the same action again and see if the error disappears. If refreshing doesn't solve it, the third step is to log out and log back in. Click on your profile icon in Smartsheet, select Log Out, and then sign back in with your credentials. Logging out resets your session entirely and clears any temporary authentication issues that might be triggering Error Code 4000. Once you log back in, open the sheet again and test the action that caused the error. Next, try using Incognito mode or a different browser. Open a new Incognito window in Chrome, a private window in Firefox, or in private browsing in Edge, and log into Smartsheet from there. If the error does not appear in Incognito mode, the issue is likely related to browser extensions, cached data, or cookies in your main browser. You can then clear your cache and cookies or disable extensions one by one to identify the cause. Alternatively, switching to another browser entirely can immediately solve the problem. The fifth fix is to reduce heavy operations within your sheet. Smartsheet Error Code 4000 can appear when you're performing large bulk updates, running complex formulas across thousands of rows, or triggering multiple automations at once. Try breaking large tasks into smaller steps. For example, update fewer rows at a time, simplify formulas where possible, or temporarily disable automation rules while making structural changes. This reduces the load on the system and often prevents the error from appearing. Finally, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt communication between your browser and Smartsheet servers, which may trigger Error Code 4000. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. If you're on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router or switching to a wired connection. You can also restart your router or run a quick speed test to confirm your connection is stable. Once your internet connection is secure, reload Smartsheet and try again. So to quickly recap, wait and retry, refresh the page, log out and log back in, try Incognito or another browser, reduce heavy operations, and check your internet connection. In most cases, one of these steps will resolve Smartsheet Error Code 4000 and get you back to working normally. If this video helped you fix the issue, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tips, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.